Hi folks, welcome to Snap Code, where you learn coding concepts in a snap. In today's video, we'll try and understand these seemingly simple data structures called arrays. So let's begin with what is an array. So arrays are nothing but a collection of similar data which is stored in a continuous memory block. Let's take an example to understand this better. Let's say I want to store marks of a student in different subjects. Now, as can be seen, they are stored at continuous memory locations of 100, 101, and so on. Using an array isn't that amazing. Still, the question remains, why do we need an array? Let's think, I could have simply stored the marks in different variables. But here lies the magic of array, where it gives us the flexibility to store all of them under single variable marks at different indexes, say maths at 0, science at 1, and so on. Let's look at some more advantages of using arrays. By using an array, you can directly access any element in the collection. This access is big O of one operation, which means the time required to access an element is constant and does not depend on the array size. Data stored in an array can be accessed quickly because it is stored in contiguous memory locations. It also means that you won't need any complex data structure or algorithm to access the elements. Arrays are memory efficient too. Because the memory can be allocated for the entire array in one block, the use of arrays reduces memory fragmentation. Let's discuss some of the applications of the array data structure. First one is pretty obvious, storing and accessing data. Same as we saw in the marks example earlier. Arrays can also be used to generate sorted data in ascending or descending order. Sorting algorithms like bubble sort and merge sort are mostly dependent on arrays. Lastly, searching algorithms like linear and binary search can also be implemented by using arrays to search for a particular element. Coming to the disadvantages, arrays have fixed size and is determined at the time of creation of the array, so no changes can be made after that. Though using arrays reduces memory fragmentation, it is also problematic to allocate a large amount of memory to large arrays, especially in computers with limited memory. If the size of the array is too large, the system may run out of memory, which can cause the program to crash. Similarly, if an array is not fully populated, there can be a lot of space that would be wasted in the memory allocated for the array. This would again be an issue with computers having limited memory. It's time to dig into some coding now. Let's see how you can declare and initialize an array. To declare an array, you need to define type and size of array example integer array of size 5 elements. Now, once array has been declared, we initialize it using the new keyword. In short, obtaining an array is a two-step process. First, you must declare a variable of the desired array type. Second, you must allocate the memory to hold the array using new and assign it to the array variable. Now, once we have obtained an array, we need to set values in it, as being shown in the code example. Once done, we can access the elements using its array index. The index begins with 0 and ends at total array size, -1. All the elements of array can be accessed using a for loop or any other iterator. That's all for this video on arrays. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more such content.